New theory. I think those guys the knobs, I think they were made in advance, or when they set the blocks, then they put the knobs so we can put some wood stick, 45-degree angle, más o menos, to hold them in place. We never see the knobs on the bottoms one. We only see the knobs on the upper one and the bigger stones. We don't see the knobs on the small one. So it would make some sense if they were used as a anchor for a piece of wood to be stuck under and on the ground for the time that it solidified, for the time that it dried. That's a new theory now that I just received from the source here at OLLANTAYTAMBO. Is this some glue? Only on this rock. And there's some strips like this. Wow. Wow. So you see, the side is very straight. You see, perfectly straight, up and down. But when you go on the top, it's not perfectly straight. There's some weird form over there. Then you go to the side of this one, perfectly straight. Perfectly straight. Yeah, there's a little problem here. I don't know what happened, but you can tell that it's perfectly straight. When you get to the top, it's not perfectly straight. There's some bubbles, some different forms. Same thing over there. archaeologist says that each of those 6 stones are weighing around 50 tons. I don't know. But what I know is something very intriguing in between, all with a knob. So this is probably a big clue on what are the knobs for. Take a look at this. From here we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe we see more, but it's like Lego. So that's 1. Almost in the middle. That's 2. That's 3. And now we have 4 over there. And I saw many before that, but I didn't thought anything about it. Now I need to start thinking about it. What was this for? What was this for? Huh? Huh? Now I'm confused. Very confused. There's knobs here, 4 of them, 1 over there. And look at the type of stone. What? So what do we use for this for? What do we use this for? Oh, the temple is over there. This is far from the temple. What are you doing here? Wow. We have some flat masonry with some notch inside, but now it's a different style. As you can see, it's all flat, no polygonal masonry, all flat. And look how straight. Very impressive. And some special form over there. Look, they don't go straight and they don't go the same distance also. Now this is straight. Now look, what? And you can tell this is still the finished side, it's not eroded. Look, they don't go the same distance. And then this is a beautiful piece. Wow. Water used to fall from here. Right there. It was probably a bath. Look here, they only cared about the facade. The facade was the most important. There's some nuts probably to hold together. But the back is always fucking weird. Facade, then the back. Facade, then weird shape. Facade, very weird, no consistency. Facade, probably corner. And then the rest. Facade, the rest. So it's very special.
Water is coming from the